Friends, today we are going to cook shrimp on the grill. I will remove the shell and devein the shrimp. The vein is located on the top, along the back of the shrimp. I will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil for frying and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We leave the shrimp to marinate for an hour. I marinated them in a vacuum container. It accelerates the marinating process. I will preheat the grill to 220 degrees Celsius. Use wooden skewers. They are convenient for turning the shrimp. I'm switching the grill to the cooking mode at 200 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes and placing the shrimp on it. I cook for 4 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other. My shrimp were raw. If you bought pre-cooked ones, the cooking time can be reduced to 4 to 5 minutes. I want to cook this more often. Soft texture, caramelized crust. Rice and vegetables will be a great addition as a side dish. Friends, subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the good video for good people.